tagisan sa larangan ng pagampas. Magandang araw mga katinik, narito po tayo ngayon sa Phon Phem, Cambodia upang masaksihan ang tunggalian ng mga kumatawan sa kanilang mga bansa sa larangan ng volleyball. Narito ang mga pasilip sa ika-32 ng Southeast Asian Games.
Work on Noreen.
What I noticed actually more on yesterday's game against Vietnam is really we shouldn't. Well, right now that this team is not as tall as Vietnam. Chemistry together, hoping for the next round.
And we are underway with the target something, but sometimes it's the amount of strength that we put on the ball. Pat is rejected, kept in play that time by Pineda. The back row and the libero hard at work for Singapore. Oh, excellent pickup. That is Tan, their libero.
Yep, working hard, sweeping the floor.
Excellent shot by Mylene Pan. He had a fiery start. Nagulat din sila. And this one is sent out. Can't go too far. The serve does not reach its destination. Quick attack. First time by Singapore. Pat from the back row because the rotation has sent her there. Difficult angle to work with. Lively exchange again. Kept in play. The set and the open spot. The Philippines here in its third match in women's volleyball competition at the 32nd SEA Games.
Good dig. Oh!
I remember we used to yell, second ball, tosser pa nun eh. Down currently by 2. Gia just knows how to set, even if it's close to at the net, as it's so broad, it looks like an airport runway. Singapore attacks. Here comes the set by Bang Pineda. Mylene Pat is on fire. About that.
Oh, good serve.
The push kept in play by Singapore. And that's an open spot. In play. That back row needing some steadiness now. We need to steady our ship there in the back row, and the open spot delivered. They look so young.
They do. Actually, they do.
But nobody's younger than the Cambodian team you covered the other night. Really young. In the meantime, there she is delivering again.
Game adjustments the Team Philippines have to do.
Muli, kami ang Tinig Online para sa mga susunod pang sports balita.